둘, 셋. Hi, we're And to the back. Hello. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Shall we say hi one by one? Hi, I'm Suin. Hi, guys. Hi, I'm Anna. Hi, I'm Paul. Hello, I'm Ella. Hi, I'm Maddie. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do the sound check. I see a few pom-poms here actually. I spot some light sticks. Hi. Yeah, so we're gonna be singing a couple of songs, just getting warmed up for the big stage later. So let's have fun. All right? It'll be fun. What are we gonna sing first? What are we singing first? What are we singing first? Yes, that's right. Italy. Let's go. Is there any song of Meowv's that you want to hear today? You guys know what we're doing? What? A jump! Okay. Yeah. Jump is coming soon, very soon. What about a Meow song? What? Hands up? I see a lot of hands up. Toxic. Okay, we're gonna go on to the next song. I heard some people say "in my hands," so maybe we'll just sing now. favorite song. I hope it became your favorite song. Hands up? Yes. Should we go around and just say hi to the bands?
Yes, yes.
I think we should. Someone said happy birthday. It was Nara's birthday 2 days ago. Was it yesterday? It was yesterday, girl. It was yesterday, sorry. Sorry. They know me better than you. No, they don't. I know that you guys said you guys wanted to see Jump tonight, but what about some of our songs? Hands up. Hands up? I'm seeing a lot of hands up. Why do you guys like hands up so much? I like hands up too, but everyone says hands up. Yeah, last year we did hands up. We did hands up and drop. We gotta update, guys, this year. Again? What again? Hands up again? Oh, okay. Hands up. Up again. Hit 'em. Okay. Hit 'em. Okay. So many people want hands up. If we say hands up right now, can you guys dance with us? We'll only just you all put your hands up. Everybody. Everybody come say hands up. You guys are gonna put your hands up. Then we might do hands up. Okay. I believe that they will. Okay. The energy is very good. Okay. I trust them. I trust these people. I feel safe here. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to put your hands up? Put your hands up! Let's go.
You can do it.
I see why they want their hands up so much. It is a good song. It is. It's fun. Yes. But sadly, the party ends here. The sound check party. But you know what? I can come on stage later. So don't worry. We'll see you guys later. This was a good warm up. We had a lot of fun. Yeah. Seeing you guys. Yeah, the stage is really soon, so I hope you guys are excited for what we prepared. What was I gonna say?
We love you!
I don't remember. There. You love them? Yes. Yes, I love you.
We love you so much and keep this energy until
Yes.
jump.
You guys are gonna be standing until for the main stage too, right? Okay. Okay. I'm glad because you guys have such good energy.
Scream for Meovv.
Okay.
Okay. Scream for us.
Now we've built this kind of friendship. You can't let us down when we come for the main stage. So we'll be looking at you guys.
We're friends now.
Everyone, every single one of you will be checking. Just kidding. But we truly enjoy that you we truly hope that you enjoy the stage today because there's going to be a lot of good stages and also Meovv's stage and our special stage for Jump. Yes. So. Yes. With that being said, we hope you guys have more fun later tonight than we did now because just now was really fun.
I know.
We appreciate that. I love you too!